Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the Perch Stella rolling height adjustable salon and spa stool. Made right here in the USA, this stool is the epitome of professionalism and durability. Whether you're in a salon, workshop, or office, the Stella stool has got your back, or rather, your bottom. Let's talk innovation. No more struggling to adjust your seat height. The Stella stool features a 360 degrees all-around pneumatic adjustment lever, making it a breeze to find your perfect position. Plus, those specialized casters ensure smooth rolling on hardwood or tile floors without causing any damage. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This stool is heavy-duty, with a whopping 300-pound weight capacity and a spacious 17-inch diameter seat. And comfort? Check. With 3 inches of foam cushioning, you can focus on your work without any discomfort. Durability? Absolutely. The Stella stool is built to last, with reinforced fiberglass, nylon, and steel construction. Say goodbye to flimsy chairs that fall apart after a few uses. And with a 12-year warranty on parts and a lifetime warranty on cylinders, you can trust that this stool will be with you for the long haul. So, whether you're a professional stylist, a mechanic, or just someone who appreciates quality seating, the Perch Stella rolling height adjustable salon and spa stool is a solid choice. Invest in comfort, invest in durability, invest in the Stella stool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.